Something died inside you. You felt it, good, because nothing new can grow in a space that's still full of the old, the life you had, the person you were, the version of you that the world knew. It had to fall apart, not to destroy you, to make room for you. Everyone wants to be reborn, but nobody wants to go through the breaking. Nobody wants the job loss, the heartbreak, the betrayal, the moment when everything you built collapses. But here's what they don't tell you. That moment of collapse is the most important moment of your entire life, because it is only when everything is stripped away that you finally meet who you really are. Not the title, not the relationship, not the money, not the image. You, raw, real, unfiltered. And what you find there, if you're brave enough to look, is someone worth rebuilding. Reinvention is not about becoming someone else. It's about finally becoming yourself. A version of you that fear kept hidden, that comfort kept quiet, that other people's opinions kept small. That version is still in there, waiting, and it doesn't need your old life to survive. It doesn't need their approval. It doesn't need the perfect moment. It doesn't need anything except your decision. So yes, you lost something. Maybe you lost everything. But loss is just life's way of clearing the ground so something greater can be built. The caterpillar doesn't mourn its wings. It trusts the process. It surrenders to the darkness. It lets go of what it was, so it can become what it was always meant to be. You are not broken. You are not finished. You are in the middle of your transformation. You are being reborn.